Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Woodland Wardens, a 52 card Oracle deck and guidebook by Jessica Roux. I was sold when I pre-ordered this just off the cover. I just think it's adorable. I'm so excited. All right, so this is published by Andrews McMeel Publishing, and it retails for $19.99 in the US and $26.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. So it says, inspired by history, folklore, and mythology, artist Jessica Roux's debut Oracle deck transports seekers to another time and place, offering insight rooted in the magic of flora and fauna. All right, so this is how it looks all over the packaging. I love it. Okay. Cute. Ugh. Oh, so it gives you a little bit about Jessica. And there's the inside of the top. So cute. All right, let's just take a peek real fast at the guidebook just to see if there's anything pertinent we need to know about using this deck. We have table of contents. Love it. All right. Oh my gosh, adorable. Okay. The meanings I've assigned are based on personal history, mythology, folklore, and the Victorian language of flowers, but they are by no means fixed or comprehensive. Your own experiences with the plants and animals depicted may indicate different meanings, and those should be honored and explored. For example, if you see a particular animal as dangerous, it may offer a unique warning. The reverse is also true. If you're fascinated by vultures, their appearance in your reading could signal good fortune. All right, awesome. This deck is intended as a living tool for deepening your self-awareness, especially in relationship to nature. All right, ooh, we got some spreads here. 1 card, 3 card, the seasons, and then in combination with your tarot. And then it goes into the card meanings, which we will take a deeper look at after we go through the flip through. I really like the simplicity of the back here. It's so pretty. I love this hunter green. It's like a deeper than hunter green. And oh my God, how cute. So it gives you the name of the flora and the fauna and a little keyword there. And we have a number. And then let's take a look at the cardstock. So it has the feel of being thicker than what it actually is, if that makes sense. So like I feel like when you pick one up, you expect it to be a little bit thicker than what it actually is. I don't mind it. I don't mind the thinness of it yet. We'll see how it shuffles, but it is a matte, so I like that too. Cute. This art style is beautiful. And the deep colors, oh. It almost feels like an old-fashioned children's book. Like almost the like the Beatrix Potter, but more upscale, I guess. Like for older kids. I don't know. That's what I'm getting. I really do like it. I really have a fondness for this type of art style. Oh my goodness. Ooh. The keywords are fantastic, or I should say the meaning on each card. Oh, pitcher plant. That's on the list of plants to get. Very pretty. Oh. This back of the card reminds me of like beautiful wallpaper. Oh, it's so pretty. Very soft feeling. Oh. I'm sold. I think this is fantastic. I think this would pair beautifully with the Herb Crafters Tarot. I think it would be beautiful with the Antique Anatomy Tarot. Beautiful. Oh. So cute. Cute. I love peonies so much. Ugh. And dahlias. They're so stunning. Oh. Great attention to detail there. And it's home, and it reminds me of the Four of Wands. Love it. Look at that turtle. Oh. There's too many cute little creatures in this deck. Ooh. That's so neat looking. Oh, precious. Absolutely precious. Oh. I love the different rich backgrounds as well. That's something you don't see all the time as an eel. Very pretty. Oh. Ooh. Oh, there's the dahlias. All right, so let's see how it shuffles. We'll pull a card and then we shall read from the guidebook. Oh yeah, very flexible, but I'm not having an issue with shuffling. I feel like they're a great size. Yeah, I don't have an issue with the shuffling. They are flexible, so as you can see, they're bending a little bit with me shuffling this way, but that's not an issue for me. It'll flatten back out once you put it back in the box. All right, can I get a card to read, please? All right, we're going to read for the Salamander and Black Pepper. Inspiration. Okay, Salamander and Black Pepper. Symbols of fire and heat, the salamander and black pepper call us to be full of energy and inspired. Both Aristotle and Pliny the Elder wrote of the salamander's ability to withstand flames, and the creature's association with fire is echoed in ancient Greek myth. Black pepper or peppercorn has an earthy flavor with a spicy kick, making it a perfect match for the fire-friendly salamander. So, upright meaning, a new opportunity awaits. To fulfill it, you must remain inspired, applying your full energy to your creative endeavors. And reversed, you may be feeling the heat. Stakes are high and the pressure is getting to you. Remember the salamander's ability to withstand flames and hold your ground. So, what inspires me, and how do I invite and incorporate more inspiration into my life? Oh, I love this so much. I feel like this is a perfect everyday deck. I love that there are questions at the end to where if you are a journaler, that you can expand on that, or if you do a tarot/oracle daily journal and you write out your spreads, it allows you to further explore what your intuition wants to tell you with these cards. It's just beautifully illustrated. It's very much usable for everyday purposes along with whatever else you want to use it for. I think it'd be a fantastic companion to any tarot deck, as well as, you know, just using it by itself. So yeah, I am excited to start using this. I have a feeling I'm going to be obsessive about it for a while and make this my new go-to for a hot minute, because it's just so well-rounded with the meanings. So love the art, love the color choices. I love how rich and calming it feels. Very, very great price, $19.99/$26.99. I think it's a fantastic price point. So kudos to you, Jessica, for your first time doing a deck. Fantastic. I think you hit it out of the ballpark. So now I'm going to turn it over to you all. Let me know down in the comments section what you think. Is this a deck that you're excited about, or is it a deck that you think you're going to pass on, that you're just not connecting with it yet, or at all? So let me know what your thoughts and opinions are down in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you all so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. You mean the world to me. Thank you again. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.